Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the biggest things that I hear in comments, and I've heard this for such a long time, that Microsoft eventually will have us pay a monthly subscription to Windows. And this is where I'm going to tell you that using the basic Windows operating system itself will never have a subscription. Because it would be nonsense. The first time I've heard somebody talk about subscription was way back in 2015 when Microsoft gave us Windows 10 for free. And there was there was a lot of people thinking, yeah, well, in a year and a half, 2 years, we're going to have a subscription. That's why it's free now, but we're going to pay for it monthly. And of course, like many, I said, nope, won't happen. And it continues to this day. I mean, Windows 11 was given free to Windows 10 users that have a machine that's capable. Yet, the majority, and this is what people don't see, is that the majority of users that have Windows paid for it. They paid for it because when they purchased that new PC, the company, the whatever brand you have as a PC, the manufacturer paid for a license. They had to pay for a license to install it on your computer. And if you have a computer that's brand new that maybe you built yourself or so on, you have to pay for a license to have Windows 11. So a big chunk of Windows users actually have paid for Windows already. Why there would be no subscription for Windows? Well, it's simple. It would be nonsense because nobody does that. You don't pay a subscription for Android, for Mac OS, for Linux. There would be no incentive to have people do that. That would be something that could actually destroy the Windows operating system in the consumer market particularly, because enterprise already pay and do subscribe to have Windows on their main PCs. But where is it might happen, and this is how it's going to be done, and we already see it right here in Windows 11. If you use AI features in Paint, in Word, there's a certain number of AI features that you can use for free. But then it's going to tell you that, a subscription might be required if you want to continue using them. And I think this is where it's going to happen. If we get Windows 12, for example, well, Windows 12 operating system itself will be like all other Windows. Either you paid for it or they're probably going to have us upgrade for free if you have a compatible machine. But if it's intense on AI features, you might just be told, this is the Windows you've got. This, you use it, for free. But if you want to use all of these AI features, there's a subscription package for it. And I think that is what makes more sense. The operating system itself, it doesn't make sense to have a subscription of any kind. And, this has been going on for so many years. People saying, well, subscription's coming. It's not, and I don't think it will. But some features might actually require a subscription for you to use them. I think that's what's going to happen in the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.